welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing very good. In today's video, I have my client here. I'm about to do her nails. I already applied my primers. Now I'm applying my base coat. After I'm applying my base coat, I'll cut for 60 seconds. That's my skin color nude polygel. That's my bombshell. I'm just going to apply it on the nails, and then I'll cut. I'm going to apply the nude on the nails, and then I'll cut for 60 seconds. You guys know how we do this on this channel. And if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or coming across my video on YouTube, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. Because in this channel, we do all about polygel. Just stick around, share my video so that you get more of my just stick around, and then you always get my videos if you really want to learn how to do a polygel. Okay, so to my old subscribers, you are very much welcome. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I am so grateful. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. Please guys, always support me, like, share, comment, so that I will know what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. So I have my white gel liner, my blooming gel, and my pink gel polish. So I'm just going to apply the blooming gel. When I apply the blooming gel, I'm not going to cure it because I want the polish to spread. So I'm just going to apply a bit of the white and the pink on the nails just to create a marble nails. Okay, I want to create a marble design, so that's what I'm going to do. So after using my brush to spread the to apply the gel, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm going to apply my clear polygel on the nails. After applying my clear polygel on the nail, just to encapsulate the design so that when I file, I don't file out the design. And then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I already applied all the polygel to the nails, both the nude and the clear. I'm just using my rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of the nails. Guys, you can use your rubbing alcohol, you can use your sleep solution. So I'm using my rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of the nails. And now I went in with my Macad hand file just to shape the nails. So I'm just going to shape all the nails. I'm going to do this on all the nails. And then I'll use the other side to flatten the surface of the nails. And if at this time you are still watching this video but you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. Please guys, support my channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so now I went in with my cuticle drill bit just to file the cuticle areas. Okay, when you do this, it prevents your nails from lifting when the nails is getting old. So that's why I always do this. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Whenever you file the cuticle areas, it prevents it from lifting. Instead of your nails to lift, it just push forward. That means the nails is getting old. But it's really not a good idea to have a lifting nails. So I'm going to go with my drill bit just to smoothen out the surface area of the nails. So I'm going to go in with my sanding bands just to smoothen out the surface of the nails. So now I went in with my buffer just to buff the surface of the nails. Guys, these nails came out so pretty. Don't worry, we're going to do the design. So that's the pink that I showed you guys earlier. Don't mind whatever is on the side because I already use it for the right nails. So I'm just working on one of the nails. Okay, so I'm just going to mix both the white and the pink colors together just to get a very light creamy, just to get a creamy color. Yeah, so you guys can see I just mixed the color. I'm just going to draw a French tip on the index finger. So when I draw it, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So how I draw this line is just using this my very tiny brush to draw the curved lines. Don't beat yourself over it. It takes time, but just start working on the lines so that you get the perfect curve that you want. So and then you start adjusting it with your polish. So that was what I did, and then after doing that I finally got the kind of shape that I want, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna draw this design. I don't know what this design is. I don't know what it's called. She came with this nail design, and I gave it to her exactly the way she wanted. She wanted the design. So I don't know what this is called, but you guys should just watch me and see how I did it. I don't know how to explain it, but just relax, sit back, and see how I came up with this design. I don't know what it's called. I've seen it before, but I don't know what shape is this. If I would call it curvy, if I should call it slant, I don't know. But the design came out so pretty. So you guys should just watch me after drawing the lines, and then I'll cut for 60 seconds. So after curing my design, I'm gonna go with this my B700. Guys, this does not work for rhinestone. It's my first time using it. She got home and literally called me back in like 1 hour telling me that the rhinestone fell off. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, but it was my first time using this B700 that I got on Amazon. I'm still gonna try it, but another way, and see if it works. So I just use it to apply the rhinestone, and that's my gloss it. So I'm just top coat. I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So after applying my top coat, I cured it for 60 seconds, and then she wanted a letter A. So I applied A on her nails because her first name starts with A. So she wanted that, so I applied it, and then I applied another top coat, and then I cured for 60 seconds. Whenever you're applying your stickers, you're applying your butterflies, first you need to apply your top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and then apply whatever you want to apply, and then apply your top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Hope you guys understood what I just said. So that's my Bombshell Cuticle Oil. I'm just going to apply it on the nails, and then you guys can see the finished look of these beautiful nails. So guys, this is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you understood the nail tutorial. Please guys, if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.